बेकायदेशीर बांदकामां विशींची हायकोर्टाची अर्द स्पश्ट आसा. सरकाराक आदी ही बांदकामां सोदची पडटली आनी उपरांत ती आदेशा प्रमाण मोडचीच पडटली. डिमॉलिशन अर्दी विशीं मंत्री लोकांची दिशाभूल करतात अशें हळदोणचो आमदार कार्लोस फेरेर उलयलो.
The Gram Sabha of Aldona. What is the judgment? कित्याक स्टार्टिंग तो कळो जाय कितें जजमेंट. बेश्टें उलयलें मागीर प्रश्न परत रिपीट जाता. सो आय हॅड टू एक्सप्लेन फर्स्ट what is the judgment. Number two, I explained what Chief Minister made statement, distinguishing between illegal and irregular, and he repeats this again and again. So he is firm in his mind about illegal and irregular. Third, I have demonstrated here how ministers of the government, either they don't know, or they are misleading, or they are telling lies. False statements that High Court has not given any direction to demolish houses when the order specifically says demolish. The Chief Minister speaks about irregular, and I agree with it. Irregular because we have made a mistake, maybe while building a house, maybe on building. People don't want to go through the motions of so many permissions. So people take shortcut of building it illegally sometimes in their own land. So these are what should be regularized with speed, and there should be time frame for deciding application. I think all this would have been helped to save every person who is building a structure if time frames are given for deciding the applications for a construction license. Basically, the High Court has fixed a time frame for taking a survey, for issuing notices, and for taking action. As far as commercial activity in illegal structures, whether it is on your own land, whether it is on agricultural land, whether it's on tenanted agricultural land or roadside, anywhere, every construction, High Court has said is illegal. The business must stop first and the constructions need to be removed and demolished.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सौरव शिरोडकार.